Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to connect your Claude AI to Gmail. So it's a good idea to connect it if you use Gmail a lot because you can manage your Gmail right from Claude, like use Claude to reply to emails or search for emails, things like that. So this is how you do it. So open up your Claude AI account. On the left-hand side, click on Customize, then click on Connect Your Tools. Then you're going to see the different connectors pop up. So if you don't see Gmail, just search for it in the search bar. If you see it, click on the plus icon and we're going to connect it. So it will give you instructions about what to do next and what is going to happen. So if you authorize Claude to access your Gmail messages, Claude may use the data to respond to prompts when appropriate, but you retain control of your Gmail data at all times. So if you're happy with that, click on continue. Then you're going to click on the Gmail account you want to give Claude access to. Click on continue. And then you can click what access you want to give. So view your email messages, manage drafts and send emails. So I'm going to click those. Then I'm going to click on continue. And you can see I have connected my Claude to Gmail. So I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.